Martinez, we've got 4 dubs, bro.
Shot.
Behind us.
126. White. Dead.
Knocked him.
As you were feeling alive, why I tell you I was good, why the fuck would I lie?
Late.
You landed late?
No, one of the guys that you shook.
Oh, I see this guy over here.
Ooh. I am getting shot at.
Yeah, there's a guy over here. He's 24, he's cracked. Oh, someone killed him.
Away we
package,
go.
sir?
Is this guy broke
Next
or what?
package.
Yeah, over there. Are we all on the boat? On the
Yeah.
helicopter?
Wait, can you guys get close to the sky bridge? See if if it's just a build fight.
I mean,
That's a pretty high
yeah,
build fight.
that's crazy. There's like 3 pieces holding it up down here. Ooh, shots.
Somebody
shots. Shots.
Behind us.
126. White. Dead.
Knocked him.
Instantly died,
Finished
I thought. Going to the crack shot house. Looting up.
Yeah, I'm right here. Anybody can carry those minis, I'll carry the big one.
Oh, it's Spider-Man.
Uh-oh. Where?
Over there.
We gotta take him out. Ooh, fish skin? Yeah. Wow, how?
Oh,
I miss more when they stand
go
still.
over there, guys.
No, I'm just gonna shoot from a distance. I don't want to go over there. They're getting in the helicopter. They're trying to get in the helicopter.
People over here under the bridge.
On G, close by.
24, I cracked. 24, he's white.
Where are they at?
51, he's 1 shot.
Knock.
Alright.
I'm looking back the other way.
23 people. 13
Gliders?
people coming.
They might be
Shake
coming
him
in
real
at
quick.
us. No, they launch padded away.
Shaking him real quick.
I think they're all at the farm. We still have the helicopter?
Yes, yes we do.
Is Hank already carrying minis? Oh, okay.
So you saying to drink them? Oh, no.
Ooh, 5 seconds on the storm.
I'm going around the mountain here.
I'm making it. Oh, I made it.
Shots to the east. Low. Good job, go.
You can't leave them fight. Let them fight.
Careful, G. East, there were shots. I don't know where they're at, though.
Yeah, I think they're over there. I'm good. I'm just gonna walk
Ooh,
in.
we're not exactly in the circle, though. Maybe I'm not getting out.
I hear shots north.
Getting shot at? Behind us? They're
Okay.
pushing
You're
hard.
Ooh.
Ooh. I think we're between a lot of teams. I think we
can
might want to
leave?
get in the
Can we leave?
helicopter
I
and
got a
go.
launch pad. I got a launch pad.
I'm gonna get in the helicopter.
Hold on. Get in the helicopter.
Said launch pad.
Oh, he doesn't. Okay.
Never mind. They want that
Oh, you're a launch
helicopter.
pad? Yeah. Here. Oh shit. Go. Christian, do you have a med kit?
Yeah.
Oh my god, Anthony is gonna drive me nuts.
In the bush. Who needs a med kit? Alright, he's still running. I'm coming.
Christian.
Ooh, there's a helicopter here. And we are still
I
getting
got
heavy
footsteps
sniped.
here. I think they might be the
bots?
bots actually. Yeah, they're the bots. Am I going to the inside and kill them?
Above us, tower to the south. Sniping to the south.
Guys, there's only 9 people left, bro.
30 shield. 30 shield. Getting shot at.
Your daddy's in the.
I'm gonna try to use a med kit.
Knocked one.
Nice.
Knocked one.
Nice.
Knock 2, you mean? The last guy's over here.
Building up.
No, you can't. He's a sweat, bro. He's a sweat. He's up here.
Building up.
He's
Rocket.
in his corner. Oh, he's right here. He's over here.
He's in the storm.
He's in the storm. Keep him there.
Nice.
Yes.
God, no wonder they were so aggressive. It's the last
that's
person.
The last kill. Woo. I got 4 kills, guys.
At 3.
keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.